screen. So I'm guessing it's recording now because the three's gone. So hopefully it's recording. If it's not, well, oh well. But basically, I just want to show you how this is my little template, and on the other screen over there that is not recording, I have my other part of this little setup. Anyway, I'm just about to pull in a song real quick, and I'm going to show you how I get the beat on Grid. So one of these is a vocal, one of these is a beat. So we're going to figure that out real quick right now. And once I figure that out, we're going to drag the beat onto the Grid. So now basically I'm in Logic Pro, and this is going to be how you're going to need to do things. If you don't have this sort of set up with tempo, what you're going to need to do is go to customize control bar. You're going to double click right there, or two finger click right there, just in the open space, any gray space right there would be fine. But anyway, we're going to go in there, we're going to go to customize control, and we are going to copy this. Now I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to, no, I'm not here to do all that. I'm here to help you get the beat on Grid. So let's do that. All right. So now that you have this right here, this is going to be your magic tempo thing, whatever. So basically double click on the beat right now, and you go to file. You go to, I mean, not file. You go to smart tempo. I'm a little bit tired right now, if you couldn't tell. But anyway, the tempo is 112.2. So that's kind of weird. So we're gonna let this play. What we're gonna do is understand that that is really the vocals, and we're gonna actually pull out number one. Actually listen to your shit. But all right, cool. So that's the beat. It's 106. Very nice and even. But here's the thing: you have to take the beat out in order to actually get this to work. So I took the beat out. Now we're going to take this up to 106, and now we can drag the beat in. You want to make sure that the tempo is at keep tempo. There's no other way to do it in Logic, at least that I'm aware of. So this works. This gets the job done. So why don't you just do it my way? Anyway, yeah, drag the beat back over, and now it's still not on Grid. So what we need to do is look, go over here, and look, this is this is starting at 0 right now. We can actually drag this back. If we just grab that little arrow, we can drag it back, and then just grab it, hold down, and then drag it over. So just right here, hold down, drag over. That obviously didn't do anything right there, but you need to click on this little arrow, and you need to make sure that you're zoomed in real nice and close on it, and you grab it, and you get it, and you can do whatever you want with it. Now, anyway, right here, and by the way, whenever you're zooming in and out, it's always going to go to wherever this starts. So if I start zooming in right now with my fingers just going like this, like spreading out, what's going to happen is it's going to go toward here. So, well, actually it goes toward the play, but that's not usually what will happen. So look, if I go right here and I start zooming in, look, it's going over to the left, you see. So it's going to keep on going over to the left if I zoom in. That was a horrible example at first, but I just had to prove my point. Anyway, let's go back to where we were, and let's get our thing done. So basically we want to get this over to this big old chunk. Why? Because it's just easier. It's not 100% necessary, but it's a lot easier. So we're dragging it on over. Dun, dun, dun. And we're looking to get basically the first little chunk, right? I'm zoomed in damn near all the way. Actually 100% all the way. Now the best way I could do this, if I wanted to hold down Option and two finger, just move up. That's what this does. And now look, it exposes a little bit more, so we can say, alright, let's put it right there. Doesn't really matter. It really doesn't, but I like to do that. So now, look, it's on beat right there, it's on beat right there. Now, if those were not on beat, then what'll happen is we'll be like, okay, well, maybe we read this wrong. For some reason, this is not 106, and oh, would you look at that? Or maybe it was the vocals, or maybe whatever, right? But the best way to double check all of this is to just go toward the end, zoom in, see, okay, it's perfectly on there. So we ain't got to worry. We'll be good. Now, I'm working on vocals, so somebody sent this to me, and that means it has the same start and stop time. So now I just drag this little guy back over, so now it's cut out completely. So now the recording is going to start exactly where it needs to, and I'm going to get on with mixing. Now, while I mix this song, you can decide if you have a song that needs to be mixed and mastered. But yeah. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you give it a thumbs up. Actually, I really don't give a shit. So I hope it actually genuinely helped you. If it did, let me know. You can give it a thumbs up. That doesn't really tell me shit. Because I'm probably not even gonna really put this on like YouTube to try and get like no views or nothing. You feel? I'm just trying to help people out right now. trying to take Instagram over in 2020. We'll worry about YouTube in 2021. So anyway, yeah, man. Peace. On the way to the top, so I steady be